Azul, the Hawksbill turtle, so orange and turquoise blue. Let's dive in the sea. I've got some sea creature friends for you. We'll learn little words that show where things go, nice and neat, so come join the fun. Let's start the show. Move your fins and tap your feet. My friend Danica is a dolphin, so grey, sleek and fast. She jumps right above the waves, then dives down in a splash. Let's spell the word above. Ready? A-B-O-V-E. Fun fact, did you know dolphins talk using clicks and squeaks? They're super smart and love to leap. Sophia's a jellyfish, purple and bright. She floats gently in the sea like a lantern full of light. Let's spell the word in. Here we go. I-N. Fun fact.
Jellyfish don't have a brain or heart, but they've been around for over 500 million years.
Jovian and Pearl are clownfish hiding where it's green. They play peekaboo between the seaweed, staying unseen. Let's spell between. Come on now. B-E-T-W-E-N. Fun fact.
Clownfish live in sea anemones. The stingy bits don't hurt them but protect them instead.
There is Twinkle, the starfish, orange and slow. She likes to sit on a rock and watch the currents flow. Let's spell the word on, nice and loud. O-N. Fun fact.
Starfish can regrow their arms if they lose one. How cool is that?
Let's find Molly, the crab. He's shy, you know. He hides under a shell and stays below. Let's spell below. Here we go. B-E-L-O-W. Fun fact. Crabs walk sideways and have strong claws for digging and pinching. Snappy the shark wears a cheeky grin. He swims next to his friends with a splash and a spin. Let's spell next to. Big voices now. N-E-X-T-T-O. Fun fact.
Sharks can hear a fish splash from far away and have been around since dinosaur days.
Let's remember what we learned today. These little words show where things stay. Above the waves, in the sea, between the seaweed, playing with glee. On the rock, or below the shell, next to a friend, you've learned it well. You did. Amazing little sea explorers. Until next time. Bye-bye from Azul, wave your fins and sway. See you next time. Have a turtly great day.